be like for my feet. Beautiful fellas. Paddle till Kerry says stop, I think. 18. Right, good morning everybody. It's about 8:30ish, probably 9 o'clock, Anzac Day. We're cozy in the kayaks this morning with Kerry, and we got my mate Phil up the front. It's fish time, hopefully. Yeah!
I'll get out, Phil.
Okay, spot number 2. We've already been for a swim out of the kayak, me and Phil. Kerry did alright back at the last spot with the cray and a nice little penny snapper, but she's a bit few and far between for us, so we're going to get in here. And Kerry reckons if we're not going to get one here, we're not going to get one.
Sam's left his camera on my kayak, so I'm going to do an update for him. He's not having the greatest. He's seen bugger all. I've seen a few snapper, including one big one. They're ahead of me, up there paddling away, and we're going to spot number 3. As you're coming up, the camera went flat.
Alright, we're in. Here's the catch. Oh, I'll show you later. Got a good sized pigfish and a nice little snapper. Really hard going today, saw a good couple of snapper in the wash, but no one managed to really get onto anything. The other guys saw a couple kings, I saw a rat king. Oh, it was is it. What else we got? Found a few small power. Kerry got a couple crays. That's it, ain't it?
2 buggies, yeah.
Right, so on tonight's menu, we're going to make these into a coconda. Probably both of them. It's a bloody big pigfish, and it's not a bad size snapper as well. So there's going to be heaps there. What I'm going to do now is get these filleted, get a little bit of a recipe going on. So even though today was pretty tough diving, Phil will be gutted to know, even though he's staying up there, and he's about an hour from me now, and I have his mask in my bag. So I've just sent him a message. He's going to have to probably come get it, assuming he doesn't have a spare or two or anything like that. So I'll keep you updated. We're on the way with the food prep. Gonna just chill out here tonight. Danny's down in Auckland, so it's just me riding solo, eating food. Right, so Phil's been and gone. Here's the little editing setup for the night. I'm in bed. It's already past 10 o'clock Anzac Day night. Back to work tomorrow. Tough day today. I actually felt the pressure to sort of deliver on shooting a fish, because the hardest thing about making video is that when it comes to spearfishing videos, you've actually got to shoot fish. So stoked to get that snapper shot on film today. Here's a question to you. Who out there do you think makes the best free to view spearfishing videos anywhere in the world? I don't watch a hell of a lot of content, do watch a lot. I think my favourite were the Underwater Ally Australian couple. I like their style. They seem like cool people. They're probably my favourite people to make spearfishing videos anywhere in the world. So drop a comment below as to who you think. That's it. I'm surprised I'll see you at the beach.